Good morning, viewers. Welcome to the UDRA Times, where we bring you the latest and most praising news from around the globe. I am Pratima, and today we have a critical story from the Simlipal sanctuary that highlights the ongoing battle to protect our forest. 5 arrested for illegal tree cutting in Simlipal sanctuary. Simlipal sanctuary, which located in the heart of Odisha in the district of Mayurbhanj, is renowned for its dense forest and rich biodiversity. This natural haven is home to numerous species of flora and fauna, making it a vital part of our ecological heritage. Recently, the sanctuary's tranquility was disturbed by illegal activities. Forest officials have arrested 5 individuals who were caught cutting trees in the Simlipal area. These arrests took place near the Ektali Beat House in the Gurgudia range of Simlipal sanctuary. The smugglers, identified as Gopinath Patra, Sukanto Sahu, Mangal Marandi, Neni Soren and Rajma Tudu, are in the act of cutting large trees to extract planks. All the arrested individuals are residents of Ektali village within the Gurgudia range. They were found with 5 huge bundles of champa logs, a large saw and 5 axes. Simlipal Forest Official Deputy Director Sai Kiran informed the press that they have arrested these individuals under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Their actions posed a significant threat to the sanctuary's ecosystem. Thank you for tuning into the UDRA Times. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and together, let's protect our forest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.